A paper is the most traditional way to present historical research, but that doesn't mean there aren't creative ways to incorporate evidence into your project. The National History Day Contest Rulebook describes a paper as relying on the written word to communicate an argument and supporting evidence. You can include between 1,500 and 2,500 total words. You can have appendices at the end of your paper. You must include footnotes, endnotes, or in-text citations. This means you can include text-based evidence such as quotes or documents. You can also include visual evidence such as photos, paintings, or other static illustrations. This means you have two opportunities to incorporate evidence into your paper, in the text of the paper itself or in the appendix. Within the text of the paper, you will use quotes from primary or secondary sources to incorporate evidence. When doing this, keep in mind that the word limit for papers is a total word count. This means that not only the words you write, but also the quoted material will count towards your word limit. An appendix is included at the end of the paper and is meant to provide supplementary materials that will help your reader to understand the topic, but don't need to be included in the body of the paper itself. The rulebook includes guidelines about how to use an appendix. If you wish to include a photo, map, chart, or graph, you must place this in the appendix, reference it in the text of the paper, and cite it in the annotated bibliography. The appendix is not the place to include transcripts of interviews or copies of your research. A variety of types of evidence can be used in a History Day appendix. Try to pick those sources that help you to prove your historical argument, as opposed to those that merely provide decoration. As you keep working, remember that our Minnesota History Day website is full of more great resources to help you create your final project. Best of luck, paper writers, and happy History Day!